Welcome to Topic Talk. I'm Sora, your friendly Korean language guide.
And I'm Bomi. Together we make the best topic teaching duo in the whole carrot patch.
Today we are diving into Topic 2 Reading Lesson 7, Long Passage Reading Strategy.
Long passages. You know what Koreans say? 긴 글도 읽다 보면 끝이 있다. Even long texts have an end if you keep reading.
Huh, that's true. Today's focus is on understanding the author's main argument and central idea.
So Sora, what exactly are we learning today?
Great question, Bomi. We have 5 key skills. First, identifying the main topic.
주제 파악. The author's main message. Got it.
Second, understanding the author's attitude. Is the author positive, negative, or neutral?
풀자의 태도. Like how my attitude changes when someone eats my carrots.
Exactly. Third, understanding the writing purpose. Why did the author write this?
Fourth and fifth.
Fill in the blank. And paragraph ordering. These are all in topic questions 38 to 42.
Before we practice, let's learn the key vocabulary. Sora, hit me with the words.
First word. It means the main argument or central point the author wants to make.
논지. Like when I argue that carrots are the best vegetable. That's mine and G.
Next. This means the author or writer of the text.
풀자. The person behind the words. In Korean literature class, we always ask 이 글이 누군가? Who is the author of this text?
Perfect. And means attitude or stance. When you see, ask yourself, is the author for or against something?
태도. You know, Koreans have a saying, 태도가 다. Your attitude is your ability. So important.
Now let's learn the 5 reading strategies for long passages.
Strategy number 1, please.
Strategy 1. Focus on the first and last sentences. The first sentence introduces the topic, and the last sentence gives the conclusion.
Like a sandwich. The bread at the beginning and end holds everything together. Korean sandwiches are delicious, by the way.
Strategy 2. Find repeated words and concepts. If a word appears 3 times, it's probably the central idea.
Repetition is key. Just like how Korean dramas repeat the same misunderstanding plot 3 times, but we still love them.
Strategy 3. Pay attention to conjunctions. Means, however, it signals a contrast. Means, therefore, it signals a conclusion. Means, especially, it emphasizes something important.
그러나, 따라서, 특히. These 3 words are like traffic signs in Korean texts. They tell you where the meaning is going.
Exactly. Strategy 4. Compare all answer choices before selecting. Don't pick the first answer that seems right.
Strategy 5. Understand what type of question it is. Main topic, author's attitude, writing purpose. Each needs a different approach.
Now let's practice. Question 1 is about finding the main topic.
I'm ready. Read me the passage, Sora.
The passage says, in modern society, smartphones have become essential items in daily life, going beyond simple communication tools. People search for information, shop, and communicate with friends through smartphones.
Sounds familiar. I use my smartphone to find the best carrot recipes.
However, smartphone overdependence is emerging as a serious social problem. Especially as teenagers' usage time increases, academic achievement is declining and sleep deprivation is occurring.
I hear Rana. That means the real point is coming.
Therefore, appropriate education on smartphone use and improvement of self-regulation abilities are necessary.
따라서. The conclusion. So the main topic must be about solving the smartphone problem through education.
Correct. The answer is option 3. Education is needed to solve the problem of smartphone overdependence.
Question 2. Author's attitude, 필자 태도파. This is about artificial intelligence.
The passage. Some worry that artificial intelligence will take away human jobs, but I think this view is overly pessimistic. Historically, whenever new technology emerged, new jobs were created.
The author says the pessimistic view is wrong and uses history as evidence. That sounds positive to me.
Exactly. The author says, meaning rather, artificial intelligence will help humans focus on more creative work. The attitude is clearly positive.
Answer is option 3. The author views AI development positively. 인공지능 기술 발전을 긍정적으로 바라보고 있다.
Question 3. Writing purpose. This passage is about small houses for single-person households.
Waningagu. Single-person households. There are so many in Korea now. Even rabbits are living alone these days.
The passage provides 3 specific methods. First, use multi-purpose furniture. Second, utilize vertical space. Third, organize unnecessary items.
When a text gives you a numbered list of methods, chutje, duje, setje, the purpose is always to guide or instruct.
Perfect. The answer is option 2, to guide methods for utilizing small houses.
Question 4. Fill in the blank. Pinkan teogi. This is about Korean fermented foods.
The passage talks about Korean fermented foods like kimchi, doenjang, and ganjang. The blank asks why kimchi is receiving worldwide attention.
Kimchi. My absolute favorite. You know, when Korean astronaut Lee So-yeon went to space, she brought kimchi. That's how important kimchi is to Koreans.
Huh. And the last sentence of the passage says probiotics in fermented foods are very beneficial for intestinal health. So the reason kimchi is famous must be related to health.
The answer is option 2, because it is good for health. 건강에 좋다는 이유로. Context clues from the whole passage.
Last question. Paragraph ordering. For sentences about environmental pollution, need to be arranged logically.
Okay, let me think like a Korean essay writer. In Korean writing, the structure is usually problem, specific details, solution, then additional comments.
Exactly. Sentence Na says environmental pollution is becoming serious. That's the problem introduction. Sentence RA uses to add specific details about air and water pollution.
Then sentence GA says the government is implementing policies to solve these problems, so it must come after the problem description.
And sentence D starts with however, saying policies alone are not enough. It must come last as the additional comment.
So the order is na, ra, ga da. Answer option 1. Naragada. It even sounds like a song.
Haha, perfect. You are a natural Korean learner, Bomi.
Let's summarize what we learned today. 5 question types, 5 strategies.
Strategy 1. Focus on first and last sentences. Strategy 2. Find repeated words. Strategy 3. Use conjunctions as guides.
Strategy 4. Compare all answer choices before selecting. Strategy 5. Identify the question type first.
And remember, when you see, that's the conclusion. When you see, the author is about to disagree or contrast.
You know what? Korean is like kimchi. It might seem spicy and difficult at first, but once you get used to it, you can't live without it.
That is the most beautiful thing you have ever said, Bomi. Keep practicing, keep reading Korean texts, and you will improve every day.
Thank you for joining Topic Talk today. Remember, study hard.
We will see you in the next lesson.